You always sitting down, sitting, huh? What are you doing? You are here, I am here to work, not for sitting down, huh?
Yeah,
What?
company giving salary. What is your problem? Fucking you always making bala bala. What is your problem, man? You are not giving me salary, no? I will sit as I like. You only giving food for me, even no making biryani, but too much making noise.
Making biryani, my goodness. If you want biryani, I will give this one. See,
What is this fucking
See.
chili? Is the biryani?
See.
I don't.
see like that.
Yeah. Even before Chief Cook making too much biryani Monday, Wednesday, but now you giving chili for me. This fucking chili I will eat.
Biryani is only for 4 person, for 4 people.
Who is that for people? Chief Cook, Captain, Chief
Yeah.
Engineer.
No.
Okay, Captain, I come in trouble. After coming in trouble. That's why if I start talking, I'll be talking. After finish.
Now, you're trouble. You're in trouble, my friend. But anyhow, anyway, biryani. You like biryani?
No, I am.
No, you don't like biryani. It's not your type. You're not a fan of
You are
biryani.
making chicken curry, no, you are good man. I'm just
But
joking.
chicken curry,
Yeah.
you like.
Yeah.
Beef curry, you like beef curry?
Beef curry, chicken, but not pork curry, yeah.
No. Woman curry.
Woman curry, no good. Only woman pussy good.
See, and also this Stephen curry, you like?
Yeah. What chicken curry?
Stephen curry.
You know, in
Stephen curry.
No.
No?
I like chicken adobo.
Chicken adobo. How about dinuguan?
Crocodile tobo.
Dinuguan.
Dinakuan.
Big blood.
You know this
Blood stew.
Blood.
yung bloody soup.
Blood soup.
Blood soup.
Bloody soup.
or bloody soup?
Yeah,
Yes.
bloody soup.
blood.
Yeah.
Blood stew.
Yeah.
You give in the cup. I will give to John because John have a boyfriend, so he want to drink more this,
Boyfriend.
blood.
But sometimes if I will order or we can have this pork blood or chicken blood, and I will make you this bloody soup,
and,
like Bloody Mary soup.
Virgin Mary.
Yeah, Bloody
Okay,
Mary
okay.
soup. So it's
Yeah,
very tasty.
Very tasty, yeah.
Yeah, very tasty.
Very good.
Yeah.
Good option.
And but you get hungry because of this biryani.
Yeah. You said you will make biryani, no, one day.
So I will make what do you call this one? I will make Sri Lankan spicy, hot and spicy
Hot and spicy.
chicken
Chicken kotte.
chicken, hot and spicy chicken,
Chicken fried. Chili chicken.
sweet chili chicken this
Sweet?
afternoon.
Ah.
For dinner, exclusive for you. I will make.
Okay, thank you so much.
Then I want to see you while you're eating using this seafood stove like this.
Chip, everybody going.
While you're eating, and then like this, you make like this
Yeah. Next time.
because of this too much sweet for
too
this.
much hot.
Yeah.
Hot and
because-
spicy.
Because of the hot spices.
See, number one Raymond coming.
Number one oiler.
Now work 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock.
Okay, we will make later.
1 o'clock. Go sleep. You work 1 o'clock?
Yeah.
No, go sleep.
Okay, I will tell Captain.
Tell captain that
Permission.
oiler Tanyaka told you that go to sleep.
Yeah, all this guy now scolding the company. He said no sign off. I will fuck everybody. He said.
Time check. 12. 12:57.
Yeah.
Ha, 12:57.
12:53.
Recorded ha, recorded. Mon, nagalit siya no, Mon.
Raymond.
Nagalit ang opisina sa'yo, Mon. Kasi sinabihan ka na, Mon, na walang uuwi ng December tapos nag-request ka. May ano, nandiyan mo no? May email, email. Nagalit.
Isa ang request.
Nagalit mo. Disgrasya ka ngayon.
Bayad.
Oo,
Bayad talaga.
disgrasya. Hindi, kayo. Hindi makasama si John sa request nyo, kayo nang lola ni Elec. Ayan o, tingnan mo. Hinanap ka nga ni Tano eh. Explain ka ngayon. Oo. Hindi kasi sinabihan ni Elec. Ha? Hindi ka. Gigising ka sana ni Elec kanina eh. Pero sabi ni Elec, pakatulog ka raw eh. Yan o. Yan yung reply. Tingnan mo. Dito pala ang ang crew change. Dito pala sa Mauritius.
Crew change?
O yung pagkakasabi ni Lick. Kasi yung sa Jibil Ali ata alanganin pa yung alanganin pa yung kontrata.
Dito na lagi tayo.
So si Lick dito yata bababa sa December.
Sobrang agap pa na.
Ha?
Sobrang agap.
Ang
Ano pa lang yun eh, October pa lang yun. November, December. Bale, man.
kaya pinagalitan ka dahil bakit daw maaga kayong maaga kang nag-request.
Bale, man. Somalia tayo.
Ayun lang. Ito maga nag-request.
Oh, sure trip tayo, Mon. Ha? Sure trip tayo Somalia? Ha?
Balik niyo upo na kayo, nakahupo na kayo.
Sure trip tayo sa Somalia? Pasyal tayo doon? Sama ka? Sama kami ko? Sure trip tayo Somalia?
Somalia?
Oo. Ha?
Putang ina mo.
Oo.
Nangyari tayo dyan ah. Ngayon pala akong makakaano kung makasure tayo.
Hindi, yung sa Kailas. Yung crew dati ng Kailas. Lumalabas sila dyan. Lumalabas sila dyan sa di ba, Mogadiscio?
Mogadiscio.
Oh, lumalabas na sila dyan. So, subukan natin, Mon. Bili tayo ng tansi at saka sima lang, Mon. Kasi marami, 'di ba yung mga pirata diyan, kunyari nangingisda, nangangawil. Then maraming pangawil diyan. Diyan tayo bibili pangawil, baka mura pangawil nila diyan.
Kung hindi tayo yung makawil nila. Thank you.
So, yun, Mon.
Mogadiscio na. Somalia na?
Oh, yun yung pwesto natin Somalia.
Masuk tamat to. Paano ba sa reunion?
Tindahan. Tindahan sa Mogadiscio ba? Hindi, pangawil ba? Tara, asan naman ka?
Ano po?
So guys, nagsialisa na sila guys. So, time to alis na naman guys. So, hanggang dito na lang tayo guys. Hanggang dito lang muna.